Hey there! In today's quick and easy video, I'm going to do something completely different and non-traditional. This is what they call a soda cake. So I'm going to start with a box of yellow cake mix. I'm going to throw it in my bowl. And I've got a box of pistachio pudding that I'm going to throw in with cake mix. Ooh, look at that color. That's nice. And we've got 3 eggs. And the reason it's called a soda cake, most people use 7-Up. I'm going to use Mountain Dew Baja. So open that up. And just pour all that in. Ooh, boy. Okay. And I've got my trusty fork here. Let's start mixing. It's like I splashed some pop on my shirt when I opened it up. Oh boy, that really smells good. This is my first time making a soda cake. So I thought it looked a little bit crazy, but I'm kind of bold. I like doing crazy things, different off the wall stuff. I thought we'd see how this comes out. It sure looked good when I saw it. All right, I've got this all mixed up now. I thought I'd get it in my 9 by 13 inch pan. I really like the color of this. Oh boy, it's going to be different for sure. But I really love pistachio pudding, and I thought, oh, that sounds good in a cake. So we'll find out. Okay, so I'm going to put this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 28 to 30 minutes or so, and I'll be back when I pull it out. Okay, I took this out of the oven after 32 minutes. I let it cool down completely, and now I'm just going to frost it. I don't normally use the store-bought icing. I normally make my own, but this one was on sale at the store. But I found out when I got home it wasn't on sale. They had charged me full price anyways, so it doesn't always pay to look for the deals. But anyways, we'll smear this on here and get a little taste. This thing smells so good. Oh man, I can hardly wait to taste this. The pistachio smell coming through is really good. Let's see. Keep sticking my fingers in the frosting. At least this stuff spreads pretty easily. I normally like to make my own because it comes out so good. And I've gotten so many compliments on it before. Okay, well, That's probably close enough. How about I come back in a minute after I've got a piece out so I can taste it, and I'll be right back. I have been waiting for this. This smells so good. The pistachio smell coming through is just amazing. So let's see what we got. Mmm. 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 Oh my goodness. And it's super moist. Oh yeah. You guys. Sorry, I gotta get another one. Mmm. 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 So moist and tender and flavorful. Oh my goodness. You're gonna love it, but only if you try it. Thank you so much for watching my videos, everybody. If you get any value, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a blessed day now. Bye-bye.